Now start.
Hello and welcome. Today we are demonstrating our one new product, that is XPO Jet Water Trainer. This is Jet Water Trainer. In this Jet Water Trainer we have two sections. One is control section and another one is assembly section, or we can say structure. Jet water structure. In this control section we use single phase AC input panel EMT16A. In this panel we use two MCB, one is 4 ampere and one is 2 ampere. These MCB output we can taken from here. Here we get 4 ampere output and here we get 2 ampere output. Here we use here we connect pump or water pump jet. With the help of this MCB we can switch on or switch off our pump. Now in this jet water assembly, here you can see the cylindrical holder. In this cylindrical holder we put here different weight here, and this here one scale is given here. At no load conditions you can see here our movable rod at 35 mm. When we put different weight, then with the help of this spring it goes downside. Here is target plate. This is target plate here. In this target plate we provide different kind of target plate. Now is connected is 120 degree. Other one is 90 degree and other one is 180 degree. And in this trainer we supply 200 gram, 100 gram and 50 gram different weights we also provided here. Here are, you can see the drain wall is here. Here is flow control wall is here. With the help of this control wall we can increase or decrease the flow of water, and that flow of water we can see here in our rotameter, and after rotameter the output goes to this transparent container, and with the help of this nozzle the water pressure is given to movable rod. Stop. ये तो होगा ट्रेनर. For the experiment purpose, first of all we can see here our movable rod at 35 mm. Now you put some weight here at this load like this.
200 grams.
Now we put 200 gram. 200 gram. Now you can see here our movable rod at 20 mm. Now we switch on our water pump with the help of this MCB switch. And here our water pressure came here. With the help of this flow control valve we can control water pressure. Here you can see in rotameter water pressure goes high and low. Now we adjust this moving rod at 35 mm with the help of this flow control valve. So slowly increase water pressure with this knob. Now here you can see our movable rod reached 35 mm. Now right now you note down weight and rotameter readings. That rotameter reading how much pressure is gone. So here we can see 580 liter per hour. If we increase the weight, then we can, now we increase the weight, that is another weight 100 gram. Now again adjust with the help of this flow wall, again adjust 35 mm and again note down liter per hour on rotameter. After taking reading of these two parameters, you put these parameter in given formula and you can find out the pressure of water. Thank you. हो गया ना?